Hello friends, welcome to Spoonful of Pleasure. Today I'll show you how to make crispy Rawa Dosa at home. So let's get started. Let's look at the ingredients. We need some rice flour, curd, refined flour, followed by semolina or rawa, curry leaves, onion, chili and ginger. And then we need some cumin seeds, salt and fresh coconut. We will chop the vegetables finely and put all the ingredients in a bowl. Add 3 to 4 cups of water. Make sure the batter is runny. Mix it well and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Take a pan and pour the batter. Oops, I forgot to mention. Make sure the tawa is super hot and then pour the mix. The batter might have soaked all the water, so add 1 or 2 cups of water, mix it and then pour. Leave it for 30 to 40 seconds. Drizzle some ghee or oil. I am using melted butter. Once it's golden brown, the dosa is almost ready. Here we have the super crispy Rawa Dosa. Enjoy it with coconut chutney. I will leave the link for the coconut and peanut chutney in the description box. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe.